welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. In this video we're going to be showing you where the LBD port is in the Citroen Picasso. If you come to the driver's side, if you see this little compartment here, all you have to do is pull it down. There is a few wires in the way, and all you have to do is, if you can see this compartment here, if you just push the wires up a little bit, there is your LBD port location for the Citroen Picasso. And all you have to do is just, there's two little catches on the bottom, what clip into there and there. Push that in like that, push that back up, you'll leave it click, and there you go, job done. If this helps you out at all, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing for future videos, as it does help a lot, and sharing. And until next time, I'll catch you in another one.